We know that the Luba can handle the garden, but can it actually do farm work?
So spring has become summer and it's time to cut around the fence using the big tractor mower. So let's start it up and see how it goes. It's a bit tricky to operate this close to the fence, but yes, let's do a try.
So as you can see, we have taken a lot of the grass, but not all. So how can we fix this? We know that the Luba can handle the garden, but can it actually do farm work? Let's see.
Start mapping each half area.
So now I created a mowing area under the fence. So let's see if the Luba actually can do farm work. No AI avoidance, because I think the grass will stop it. So let's see if it will fix this. So can the Luba actually do farm work? Yes, I think so. If you started earlier in the spring, you could actually have mapped out the fence and it would have cleaned it. It has some problems when it comes. I have to turn off the AI detection because it will detect grass when it's this high. Maybe if you start early, you can have AI detection on and it wouldn't bump into the posts. Now it's going on feel more. So, well, that works also, but it's a little bit a bump ride. But as you can see, it has cleared under where I didn't manage to reach with the big mower. So, yeah, it works. So that's it. See you the next time on Gadgeteer Farm. Goodbye.